Choosing the right power for a pulse cleaning machine can be confusing. With options like 200 watt, 300 watt, 500 watt, and 100 watt, each is suited for different cleaning needs and items. In this video, we'll compare the cleaning efficiency of these different power levels to help you understand which one is best for your specific requirements. Whether for everyday use or heavy-duty cleaning, you'll find the most suitable pulse cleaner for your needs. If you are still don't know how to choose it, contact with Bogong Laser.